79G, 5 types of arm rod, universal radar, installation instructions.
Installation part. Height. The height from the vehicle tire contact ground surface to the bottom of the radar is 70 cm, lower than the main arm rod.
Horizontal position. The distance from the radar side to the arm rod is 20 cm, and try to be greater than 15 cm.
Oversized vehicle scene. Suggest using two radars solution. One radar is installed on the barrier gate cabinet at regular height and spacing. The other radar is installed on an additional column at 1 meter position of the column. The column is installed 1 meter away from the cabinet in the direction of the incoming vehicle.
Note, if the angle between the radar irradiation surface and the car body is more than 30 degrees, there will be a risk of smashing the car or not dropping the rod. Therefore, the car body should be perpendicular to the radar surface.
It must be installed vertically on the barrier gate cabinet, and cannot be installed upside down, tilted, or horizontally.
Note, when the arm rod type is straight, only environmental calibration is required. When the arm rod type is not straight, only dynamic calibration is required.
Debugging part.
Step 1. Configure parameters.
Open WeChat on your mobile phone and scan the QR code on the outer package to enter the WeChat applet or mini program.
Need to open the mobile phone positioning rights. At the same time, open the mobile phone Bluetooth.
Click the Search Radar button and agree to the applet using Bluetooth.
Support switching between Chinese and English.
The configuration parameter for the following demo video is a 5 meters length rod.
5 meters arm rod length.
The left distance and right distance are 1 meter.
Drop rod delay 1 second.
Human vehicle distinction, light distinction.
Arm rod direction, right side.
Arm rod type, not straight rod.
You are advised to set parameters based on the actual environment.
After finishing the parameter selection, click Parameter Right button.
Now, the parameters configuration is finished.
Step 2. Product calibration.
Item 1. Dynamic calibration.
Use the remote control to raise the rod and make sure there is no sundries in the driveway.
Click the Dynamic Calibration button in the applet.
In the calibrated state, use the remote control to rise and fall the rod 5 times each.
First down.
First up.
The second down.
The second up.
The third down.
The third up.
The fourth down.
The fourth up.
The fifth down.
The fifth up.
Click Next when you're done.
Use the remote control to raise the rod, and keep it raised to calibrate the lifting rod.
When the calibration is complete, use the remote control to drop the rod down.
Click Finish to complete the dynamic calibration.
Item 2. Environmental calibration.
Click the Environment Calibration button in the applet.
The radar green light flashes for 3 seconds and then turns off. Calibration is complete.
Click Confirm to complete the environmental calibration.